Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a twig shakes in After Effects. First, right click on your timeline, go to new and create an adjustment layer. Place the adjustment layer. Go to your effects and presets panel and search for BCC lens blur. Drag and drop it directly onto your adjustment layer. Next, we need a couple more effects to make it dynamic. Search for twitch, exposure and optics compression and add them to the layers as well. Now copy my settings. Select all your keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Open the graph editor and copy my graph.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion.
Perfect. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.